It's Paulina here from Team Searchie, and I just wanted to hop on to quickly tell you about why I love Searchie's AI screen recorder. It is a handy tool that I keep in my back pocket and that I use quite often on a regularly basis as I'm walking my team members through specific processes, sending them a quick message, or, and this is my favorite part, sending personalized messages to our audience members as well. So in this quick video, I'll show you how you can get started with the AI screen recorder tool. What you're going to do is head to searchie.io/Chrome. You can record your camera, your screen, or a combination of the two directly into your Searchie account. Once it's inside of your Searchie account, you can work all of its AI magic as well, get some generated titles, get a description, create a workbook if you want out of that, and most importantly, share that message as well. So whenever I'm ready to record my message, I'm going to click on the Searchie logo. This gives me an option to select what specifically I want to record. So I'm going to opt for my current tab, and I'll add my camera recording as well. I can decide where I appear as well. So I'll put myself right here and how big I want this window to be. So I'll just keep it small for now. And when I'm ready to start recording, I can click Start Recording. There's that little start down timer. And at this point, I would start recording my message. So this is where I can point out anything that I want to say. I can use our handy annotate tool as well if I want to highlight specific parts, like my camera here. There I am. Or my screen as well. Maybe, that communicates what I need it to communicate, so I can clear that after and continue with my video. And whenever I am happy with my recording, I can click Stop Recording. And what happens at this point is a new tab will open with that specific recording. Number one, this screen gives me the URL. This is what I'm going to share with my audience so that they can access the specific file. And I also have the option at the bottom here to rename this specific file, which I highly recommend doing just to make sure that you can remember what that specific recording was about as well. So I can say AI screen. I can't spell on screen. Screen recorder demo. Awesome. I can preview it as well. So there's my entire recording with all of the Searchie magic, including the captions as well. And there you have it. That's my little handy demo of, again, one of my favorite tools that I keep in my back pocket. What more could you ask for? Thanks for watching along, and we'll catch you in the next video.